Welcome to a new video of our DJI Mavic 2 Pro and Zoom series, and today we want to install the propellers to the Mavic. The first thing we need to know is that there are different propellers for the back of the Mavic and the front of the Mavic. As you can see on this side left, there's no white sign, and on the right side there's a white sign, and that's also the case for the propellers. So here we see the white sign, it's for the right side, and no sign or black, whatever you want to call it. And this one is for the left side because there's no white circle around the engine. After knowing this, we can install the propeller, and the first thing you need to know is there are some small holes, 3 holes in the engine, and we have to put the opposite on the propeller into these holes. So it's now it's in the holes, and then we have to push it down and then just spin around the propeller or the engine below. It doesn't matter if you use the propeller for that or the engine. And it's also marked which direction you have to spin on the propeller. If you want to release the propeller, you have to do it the other way around. And as you can see, it's quite easy because there's a spring that pushes the propeller off the engine, and afterwards, of course, you can install it again. It's always the same. Just push it a little bit and afterwards spin the engine around. It's the same for the other propeller. As you can see here, it's the white marked on the back of the Mavic. And that's just quite the same to do. Push it a little bit down and afterwards spin, and then it's fixed. Thanks for watching the video. Alexa, turn the camera off.
Okay.